Ladies and gentlemen, Ross County is under a winter weather advisory, December 16th, 2010, 3 days before my 22nd birthday. And here's some of the, a lot of snow. Will somebody please thumbs up for my cat so he'll be all happy and quit meowing at me? Yeah, here's some of the trees that are planted in my yard. We moved here about a year ago, and we're happy here and all that. Wow, look at that snowfall. I haven't seen anything like this in a very long time. Here's my neighbor's yard over here. Obviously some snow falling over here. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Looks like Holly 13 here is going to have a white birthday. Joy. Just hope I can get out of my driveway here. Can't believe how good this camera is. Look at that snowfall from the sky. Ladies and gentlemen, isn't this the most beautiful thing you've ever seen? Other than childbirth, of course. Yeah, my buddy Holden, he just left for the Air Force December 7th. I wish he were here to see all this snow. He got to see a little bit of snow before he left, but he didn't see nothing like this. Okay, end the video.